pounds here annually. So
Oh, okay, annually, wow.
I was doing a presentation for them. They gave me like 5 different topics, and I chose this. So this is one of my presentation I did in terms of reports. So I did a comparison between Nigeria's NITDA and Estonia's X Road. Very interesting stuff. Okay, so this one is one, but this one is just a presentation. Let me see the kind of reports I've done.
Hmm.
That is,
Wow.
um, oh, sorry. Oh no, okay, it's supposed to be more presentation. Um, oh, let me see this. This is one report that I did. I don't know. Oh, loading, that's interesting. So this is one of my reports. So this is how we do reports, basically. I'm just going to move on. It's nothing serious. So the people, like I said, the people I work with, they are very much interested in seeing numbers, not some stuff. Oh, so this is we're doing a market share of internet service provision, which is by the different service providers that we have. So wanted to know, these are competition, where we stand. So these are month on month revenue, and these are like the revenue we generated, plenty stuff like that. Um, these are pseudo stuff anyways, very interesting. So this is like a projection that we usually would do, and yeah, this is just a simulation of one of the um, reports that we did. And what kind of presentation again? I think I'm supposed to not record this. Hold on, let me just
All right.
go. Yeah, I'm going to cut that out.